Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABIL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Talk about just being completely brutal. Some people's Thanksgivings, I'm sure, were ruined today, given that they woke up, had a good Thanksgiving yesterday, and now all of a sudden, what a nasty gap down, and the price never even came close to recovering. So, this thing was just an absolute total pump and dump. I don't know how else you can phrase it. I'm not saying that towards the company. I don't know anything about the company. I'm making that statement based solely towards how the price acted. So hence, from a price action perspective, 100% a pump and dump. And anybody that held this overnight or over Thanksgiving, they just got absolutely roasted. To think that the price made a huge move up and then literally today opened up all the way down there. And then just to rub a little more salt in the wounds, the price decided to just continue to drift down the remainder of the day. A brutal, brutal day. So as far as, just summarizing this, giving my thoughts on it, which I was asked, I'm not trying to be insensitive or anything like that, but this was just a total pump and dump. And, it is what it is. And, we'll see if maybe the price can, recover in the future. But as far as, kind of current levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy here other than the fact that, the lowest it finally went today was right there around the $3 mark. So $3 will be that, an initial area of support. But in the event the price, falls through there and then continues to sink itself downwards, at that point is where the price would, kind of officially be literally right back to where it started. So right now, sure, the price, technically speaking, isn't exactly to where it was, but you get the overall gist of what I'm getting at is compared to where it was up here and now looking at it where it was, just an absolutely brutal day. And we'll see if the price, like I said, can recover or not. So I don't mean to oversimplify things, but as far as, hey, Clay, what are your thoughts on this one now going forward? An absolute pump and dump. If the price does bounce, keep an eye on that pink line there, the first level of resistance at $3.25. And if the price can get through there, then the next level of resistance up there, that purple line at $3.80. I'm going to keep an eye on it next week just in case something crazy happens and it decides to try to snap back. But as of right now, not looking so good. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.